Hello student, this is class 9th chapter 3rd atoms and molecule. This is part 3 atom. It is the smallest particle of an element which may or may not have an independent existence. They are very small in size. Their size is measured in unit nm. It's mean nanometer. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 की power minus 9 meter. Hydrogen atom is smallest. Its size is only 10 की power minus 10 nanometer. Atoms are represented by symbol given by Berzelius. It is a scientist. It is discovered symbols of the atom. Symbols of elements. The first element is hydrogen. The first element is hydrogen. Its symbol is H. Second element is helium. Its symbol is He. The third element is lithium. Lithium. Its symbol is Li. Fourth element is beryllium. Its symbol is B. Fifth element is boron. B. Sixth element is carbon. C. Seventh element is nitrogen. N. Eighth element is oxygen. O. Ninth element is fluorine. F. 10 element is neon. Ne. Next element is sodium. Its symbol is Na. Next element 12 is magnesium. Its symbol is Mg. The next element is aluminium. Its symbol is Al. 14th element is silicon. Its symbol is Si. The 15th element is phosphorus. Its symbol is P. 16th element is sulfur. Sulfur. Its symbol is S. The next element 17th is chlorine. Its symbol is Cl. 18th element is organ. Its symbol is Ar. 19th element is potassium. Its symbol is K. Last important element is calcium. Ca.